What's up, YouTubers? I'm here with one of my favorite cars, the 996 twin turbo Porsche. It is an absolute beauty. It's a little dark in here so you can't get the full view, but yes, this is the turbo version, and I'm going to show you how to set the time today. So it's a very easy process. What you want to just do is put your key in the ignition. Now remember, on the Porsche it is on the left hand side. Yes. Just going to set that. Looks wonderful. Now what you want to do to change the time right over here is very simple. What you're going to do is press and hold this button right over here on the right hand side, and then once that happens, your hours start blinking. Then you just turn this knob left or right depending on what time you want to set it to. So we're going to set it 6 right now, and we're going to press it one more time to adjust the minutes. 6:30. So I'm going to turn it over, 6:30, using this. Once again, just left and right. Once I set the time, I press it one final time and it's reset. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I have more videos coming.